Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making brown sugar shortbread cookies. These buttery and rich shortbread cookies use brown sugar for a little added flavor. They're quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first you want to make sure that your butter is soft. We want to have really soft butter for these shortbread cookies. So today I'm using the Nancy's Organic Butter. This is one of my favorite butters for shortbreads. I recently did a best butter for baking test and the Nancy's came out #1 for shortbread, so it's all I ever use now. Next, we're going to add in 71 grams of brown sugar. And while I usually make this recipe with light brown sugar, if you guys want to use dark brown sugar, that totally works too. The only difference between light brown sugar and dark brown sugar is the amount of molasses. So if you're going to use dark brown sugar in place of light brown sugar, the only difference in these cookies is going to be a little bit darker color and a little bit richer flavor. Then we're going to add in 71 grams of sifted powdered sugar. So I love using powdered sugar in shortbread cookies because it gives them a really light, tender, kind of melt in your mouth texture. This is how we made them at my bakery. And then of course we're adding in some vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Next, we're going to add in 255 grams of all-purpose flour. And now we don't need any salt in these shortbread cookies because we're using salted butter. But if you guys are using unsalted butter, then you're going to want to add a half a teaspoon of salt into this recipe. So now we're just going to mix on low until combined into a smooth cookie dough. So now we're going to grab a large piece of plastic wrap. Then we're going to transfer the cookie dough to the plastic wrap and form it into a log that is about 14 inches long. Then you're going to wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. And a little trick to get a perfectly round cookie dough log is just twisting the edges of the plastic wrap as you roll the log. So now we just need to let this log chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. So once your cookie dough is chilled, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So then you're going to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and set them aside. So we're going to grab our cookie dough log from the fridge, unwrap it, and place it on a cutting board. And so using a sharp knife, we're going to cut the cookie dough log into 1/4 inch thick slices. We're going to get about 28 to 30 cookies. Now we're just going to transfer the sliced cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheets. Now we're just going to bake these at 350 degrees. I like to finish these with a little dusting of cane sugar immediately after coming out of the oven. But this part is totally optional. Now you want to let these brown sugar shortbread cookies cool completely before enjoying. And if you guys want to dip these in chocolate, they're so delicious. This part is totally optional, but you know I love a chocolate dip shortbread cookie. This is also such a great base recipe to add in any kind of mix-ins that you like. You could do chocolate chips, blueberries, pecans. I actually have a whole list of some of my favorite variations in the blog post that's linked in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more bakery-style cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.